People often assume that when moms are building businesses, they're somehow sacrificing precious moments with their families. There's this stereotype that if you're hustling to grow your own company, you must be missing out on the little things like bedtime stories, after school hugs, or cheering from the sidelines. It's as if being ambitious and being present can't go hand in hand. But that's not the reality for so many of us. The truth is, I don't think I've ever missed my kids' activities. I'm there for the soccer games, the school concerts, the recitals, and every milestone that matters. I make it a priority to show up, to be present, and to celebrate those moments with my children, no matter how busy my work gets. The concerts, the games, I've been there, front row, camera in hand, cheering louder than anyone else. I want my kids to remember that their mom was always in the crowd, supporting them even while building something of her own. But here's what most people don't see. The real challenge isn't just showing up for the big moments. It's the invisible juggle, balancing work deadlines with family dinners, sneaking in emails during nap time, and planning tomorrow's schedule long after everyone else is asleep. That's the part no one talks about, but it's where the real strength lies. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. And if you find encouragement here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss future videos. Being there doesn't mean it's easy. Behind every school event or concert, I'm still juggling supper, housework, deadlines, and a vision my family doesn't always understand. Presence isn't perfection, it's intention. Dinner cooking, emails pinging, homework waiting, laundry piling. It's the backpack moms carry that no one else sees, and it doesn't make us absent, it makes us resilient. My son at 22. He's proud of his achievements, proud of the journey he's taken, and proud of the person he's becoming. He sees the world as a place full of opportunity, and he's eager to make his mark. When he looks at me, he sees someone who's always been there cheering him on, even when the path wasn't clear. My daughter at 11, she just wants my attention. She wants to share her stories, her drawings, her dreams. She wants to know that I'm listening, that I'm present, even when my mind is racing with 1,000 other things. To her, love is simple. It's time, it's laughter, it's a hug at the end of a long day. My husband, my parents, and my friends, they're my support system. The people who care about me deeply. They want the best for me, and they try to help in their own ways. We share meals, stories, and memories, and I know they love me. But sometimes, even with all that love, they don't always understand the vision I have, the dreams that keep me up at night, the goals that drive me forward. It's not that they don't care, it's just that my path looks different from theirs. And sometimes that's the loneliest part of building something bigger than yourself, knowing you're surrounded by people who love you, but still feeling like you're walking a road only you can see. Beautiful soul. Don't let anyone tell you you're missing out just because you're juggling a lot, you're showing up, you're being intentional, and that is more than enough. Have you ever found yourself wishing for a little more clarity, balance, or inspiration in your daily routine? If you're nodding along, you're not alone. Many of us crave a deeper sense of purpose and calm, especially in the midst of busy family life. That's why I invite you to join me on the Essential Wellness Podcast. Each week I open up about my own journey, sharing honest stories, practical tips, and gentle encouragement to help you nurture your well-being, one mindful moment at a time. Whether you're folding laundry, making breakfast, or taking a quiet walk, you can tune in and find a little inspiration to carry with you throughout your day. And if you're feeling ready to bring more intention and self-care into your own routine, I have something special for you. Discover the lip ritual at AJ's EO Infusions, a simple, nourishing way to treat yourself with a moment of calm, even on the busiest days. It's more than just a product. It's a gentle reminder to pause, breathe, and care for yourself. You'll find all the links you need in the description below. I hope you'll join me on this journey to greater wellness and intention, one small step at a time.
Beautiful soul, thank you so much for watching. If this video encouraged you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update. You'll see QR codes right here on your screen. One will take you straight to our YouTube channel for more videos, one leads to our main website, and the other goes directly to our landing page where you can shop the lip ritual and join our Glow Notes community. And as always, remember, the lip ritual is more than lip care. It's a no-rinse wellness moment. With care and clarity, I'm Janice Story, and this is AJ's EO Infusions.